How to delete your Yahoo account permanently. In this video, I will show you how can you easily delete your Yahoo account permanently. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open any of the web browser. After that, in the URL box you need to type edit.yahoo.com config delete user. Make sure you don't miss the delete user keyword as that will directly open the website which will lead us to delete our Yahoo account. After that, once you have entered that URL, you need to click on Enter key. Then after you will see the page where you're supposed to provide your email. After providing your email, simply click on Next. Then after you need to provide your sign-in password. Then after click on Sign In. Once you have signed in with your Yahoo account, you need to click on Continue. That means you are deleting your account and you have read all the agreements. After that, last option is to click on Yes, terminate this account. After you choose this option, your Yahoo account will be deleted permanently. So that's it. That is how easily you can delete your Yahoo account permanently. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.